Okay, this video is about the informational pages, and so far you have two. If you click here where it says pages and then you click all pages, cart is part of the shopping cart. You should never erase this. Check out the same thing. My account and shop, those are parts of the shopping cart, okay? But the home page is a custom page for informational informational purposes. Let me show you. Just a second. Okay, so this is your home page. This is your home page right here, which is the space that's going to come up right here. This is your home page. Okay. Now, when you put your mouse on top of the home, you see all these links here. You can click on this one that says Edit with Elementor. And this new window, it's going to open that will allow you to make changes to this page. Okay, so this is the page. As you can see, when I put my mouse on top of the section gets highlighted. You see? Let me show you how this works. Let's suppose this right here. I'm going to eliminate this just for a second, but I'm going to eliminate this little. I'll leave that there. Let's suppose I want to add a section. Okay. I go right here and I click. Let me see. I want a heading, so I drag the heading and I try to put it on top. You see, here is on top. It's under the bottom. I'm going to put it on top. Okay, here's a heading. Now, all the changes, don't do the changes here. The best thing to do is you go here. The heading of the text. So we're going to say, this is going to be a slogan. Okay. Now, all the formatting happens here on this section, on the left-hand side. Okay. You want this to be centered. You click and you center the phrase. See, it just went to the center. Now you want to change colors on fonts and other things. You go to style, you click on style. You can change the color, do it white. There we go. Now, when I select the color, I click outside and it closes the window. Typography, I click on this little pencil. Here's the size. Look at that. See? So that's the size. The font. If you want a different font, you know, there's a million fonts here. The weight. Let's say I want it to be a thin type of thin letter. There you go. Even thinner than that. Okay. Transform. So anyways, you gotta go through this. Whatever happens, whatever thing you're going to do here, whatever change is going to happen on this side. Okay. Now, and if you go further, let's click on the little pencil here and get back to the editor. If you go further to advanced, you can put a margin, for example, on the top, 100. See. Or you can put a marker on the bottom. There you go. It separates from the bottom. So you need to play with this. This is very simple. It's like any other, what you see is what you get sort of editor. It's just knowing where things are. See? So this is for any page. If, for example, you want to change this section here. Okay? Well, you click on top of the little pencil of the section. And you go here, and here it is. Obstacle. Change it to whatever. That's just an example. See? It changed right here. So once you're done with those changes, you click on the update link right here on the bottom, and this page is going to be saved. So basically, you navigate with your mouse and it will show you the different sections. Okay, this is very easy to use, but if you have any questions, again, just send me an email. Let me go to another page. If you once you have updated the page, you click here, excuse me, here, and then you click on Exit to Dashboard. So now we're going back to the dashboard, and I'm going to go to the other page, which is an informational page. We click on All Pages, and we are going to click on Customer Feedback, Edit with Elementor. So the exact same concept. This is a page that was made. This here is an image. These are letters. How was this image? Well, this image is within this section here, which is, you see, the little tab shows you. When you click on this section of the tab, it shows you the parameters of this section. Okay. If we go to Style, there you have it. There's an image. This image is sort of set up as a background, and you can play with it. You can make it repeat. You know, I mean, I wouldn't do that, although it doesn't look bad. But you can make it repeat. You can make it no repeat. The way I had it, the size you can make it cover. Doesn't way too much. Not nice. But see, it's what I was saying before. You scroll your mouse and you're going to see how the sections are highlighted, see? And suppose that you want to add another section like this one. You can either duplicate this section by clicking on these two icons here. There you go. I just duplicate, and then you can start changing the content from this section. The color, maybe you want the color to be blue. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm working on this one. Let me undo that. Let's say you want to change the color from this section. You click on this tab, the parameters tab. You go to Style. Here's the color. I'm going to change it to like this color right there. And I'm going to eliminate this picture. And you know, and you start building blocks. Once you're ready to start inserting blocks, you click on this icon here. And here are all the blocks. Let's say you want a video. There you go. You drop a video right there. And then, if it is a YouTube video, you go right here and you copy the video from YouTube and you paste it here. See? And the video is going to show here. Let's say that, for example, you want to have 2 blocks of content. You select columns, put them there. Here we got 1 column, another column. I'm going to put now 2 images. One's going to go here. And I'm going to duplicate this one and drag it here. There you go. It's very simple. This is a very simple application. And once again, once you're done, update, click here and exit the dashboard.